is what they do in Beverly Hills Troop 1 something. Troop Beverly Hills.
All right, Jasmine. Watch out, let me see Elise. Okay, you got it, Elise? You got it? Your shoe's untied. Wait. Don't fall, Elise. Don't fall. Come on. You got it. You got it. You got this.
I can't.
Yeah, you can. Come on. Keep going. Keep going.